Hallo! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Mando and today we're going to learn German together. So let's get started. When learning German, it is always important to also learn German pronunciation. Similar to every other language, German has its own rules. Today, we're going to talk about German vowels. Specifically, we're going to see how to pronounce them and how two vowels next to each other can create a different sound. There are 5 German vowels. We have A, E, I, O, U. Take a look at the German alphabet. A, E, I, O, and U. Let's take a deeper look at the alphabet. As you can see, there are 3 special vowels that get 2 dots on top of them. A, U, and O. The pair of 2 dots are called umlaut, and they change the sound of the initial vowel. Umlaut indicates that there is an extra e, so an extra e next to those vowels. So I want you to think of that while you try to pronounce them. For example, a and e is e. O and e is ö. U and e is U. Now that we're experts of A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut, let's talk a little bit about diphthongs. A diphthong is the combination of 2 vowels in a single syllable. German has 6 diphthongs. The first diphthong in German is A and U, which makes ow. An example is Frau or faul. Frau is the woman and faul means lazy. The second diphthong in German is I, which is called I. For example, my. Another diphthong is the EU, which is the combination of the English E and U. This diphthong is called OI. For example, Euro or Eule. Euro like the euro and Eule like the owl. Another diphthong with similar pronunciation, oi, is the diphthong of A umlaut and U. So these 2 vowels go together and gives us a oi again. For example, Bäume like trees or läuft like running. The next diphthong is IE, which makes E. For example, riesig, very big. The last diphthong is the opposite. So it's E and I. This diphthong sounds like I. For example, reisen, which means travel. Here, there is an easy way to remember those 2 ones. The second vowels of these diphthongs, IE and EI, is stronger than the first one. Therefore, we pronounce this more than the first one. For example, eins and Bier. So, let's go one more time. A umlaut is E. O umlaut is Ö. And U umlaut is Ü. Also, we talked about the 6 diphthongs. First, AU, like au. Second, AI, like I. Third, EU, like oi. Fourth, A umlaut and U, like oi. Fifth, EI, like I. And sixth, IE, like I. As homework for next time, I want you to comment below 3 German words that include the diphthongs I, au, and oi. Comment one example for each. Thank you all for watching. Bis bald. Tschüss.